Good morning, Valparaiso. This is Braiden Thornton with your VUTV 15 weather update on this Tuesday morning. Let's get started with those headlines, of course. More snow tonight and tomorrow, the last thing the winter fatigue wants to hear, but winter is here to stay. Dangerous wind chills late week, and then potential winter storm as we get into the early part of the week. We'll talk more about that in just a moment. Now, the wind chills right now, brr, it is cold. -2 here in Valpo, -7 in South Bend and Goshen, -8 in Kendallville. Towards the west, 0 in Lansing, 6 in Joliet, and our relatively speaking warm spot, Peru over here at 11 degrees. I'm sure we'd all like to be there right now in comparison to here. Now, looking at our current radar, don't really have any clouds around. Got some lingering snow showers up into Michigan, but those will be clearing out very soon. And our zoomed out view, you see we got these clouds coming in from the west. This is going to be our next system that's going to bring some snow tonight. So let's time out that bad boy. Got our temperatures in the teens around 2:30 this afternoon, and then got the clouds that have overtaken our area. And then later on tonight, around midnight, is when the next chance of snow moves in for western portions of our area, some very light snow. That'll continue through the night, and you see our temperatures actually rising to near freezing by the time we get to 9:30 in the morning. And we have some snow showers lingering around, but those should be clearing out. And then our next shot of snow comes in later on Wednesday night around 8, 9 o'clock. Temperatures in the upper 20s, and that'll move through fairly quickly. You see by 3 a.m., we're pretty much clearing out at this point. So let's look at the national radar. You see here's our next system that's coming in later on tonight. And then, of course, we got the lake effect going on here in the Great Lakes. That'll be kind of ongoing. Now, potential winter storm. Our time frame of interest is going to be Sunday into Monday. Our development region is going to be down here into this southwestern United States. Scenario 1 has this system just kind of sliding across the south due to a very strong high pressure to the north suppressing it down. This would mean heavy snow across portions of the south and then some icing somewhere south of there. Scenario 2, however, we could actually see this become more amplified with a less strong high pressure, less suppression, and we see that this goes up into the Ohio Valley and into mid-Atlantic, and then that might mean some snow here in the Valparaiso area. Do I think we're going to see like big snowfall? Probably not. Probably maybe a few inches at best. Any icing? Definitely not. Of course, we're still several days out. We're 5, 6 days out, so we'll have to wait and see. Just be careful where you get your weather information on social media because you're going to have a lot of conflicting posts out there. National Weather Service, your best bet. Now, cold-wise, does it get any better as we get later into this month? Well, nah. Just straight up, nah. You got very likely below normal temperatures here in the Valparaiso area and really the eastern 2/3 of the United States, January 25th through the 29th, about the 27th through February 1st. A little bit better, but still more than likely going to be below normal during this coldest time of year. So, yeah, not looking at any big time warm up anytime soon, but hopefully, the snow is not as persistent. We'll have to see how that plays out as well. Now, here's your 7-day forecast, and enjoy that balmy 31 degrees Wednesday because we're going to be only in the single digits for highs Friday into Saturday with those dangerous wind chills of -25 to -35, maybe even getting to -40 even. Definitely going to have some delays or cancellations when it comes to schools and maybe even universities as well. Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday we have a little bit of snow in the morning and then in the evening as I showed, and then maybe some lingering flurries in the morning, but then it should be clearing out on Thursday. We'll stay pretty dry, and then Sunday, there's a 20% chance of snow. That's part of that potential winter storm. This may go up or down. We'll have to monitor that very closely. Highs in the teens, Sunday, Monday. And partly cloudy Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday, we're back into the low to mid-20s, so that'll feel a little bit better. But, yeah, winter is still in full swing here, so this has been Braiden Thornton with your VUTV weather update. Stay warm and stay safe from all this winter weather.